beautiful, sunny day where our friend Pocoyo.
One afternoon, the engine's crew were eating their meals at a small table near the sheds.
Hey!
Need some crabs on the house. I bought it from Krusty Krab. Twilight, here's some Krabby Patties. I bought all of you. Thanks, SpongeBob. That's a lot of food you got here. It's my day off. I'm giving it all my friends are Krabby Patties. That's good, SpongeBob. That's good.
Hey, what day is it?
Thomas's fireman took out his small calendar from his pocket and looked.
My God! What's wrong? My God, it's day of the anniversary of Timothy's accident. That means tonight is going to come.
Thomas, Percy, and Toby overheard this and gasped.
Oh my goodness! They'll come running down the line, looking into the gap and shrieking like a fool.
Percy, you just said the same words that you told me when you first mentioned that story a long time ago, and yet years later you still remember them.
Yeah, but Timothy won't come to warn us. He's gonna come and take you and send you to hell. That's what he said.
No, he won't. We will defeat him and end this madness. Tonight, we put our plan into action and stop him.
He's right. The only chance to stop me, we had to destroy the character just like I did before. And that's why we're gonna stop him. What? The wings are back.
Whoa, what are you doing? It's not hug time.
I just thought you could use one.
Ow! Why, you little...
A Bobby bench.
Oh, I'll just be another minute, John. Have a seat.
As the sun faded and darkness closed in, the three engines could sense that this would be a horrifying night.